What you doing? You awake or asleep?
Nah man. I am sleeping my head off. You know things are going on that I want to sleep through, you know? The cops are on the horn. It's vicious.
Come on, man. Get it together. You got some talent and need to go for it. Don't let the haters manipulate you.
Maybe you're right. Well, okay so people. Go find me at http://jamendo.com/en/artist/Jim_Goddard. Download all my albums for free. Yes, free. I ain't no money grubber. It's about the art.
I vouch for ya. People, go do it. I'm telling ya to it. This guy's a nice bloke. He's worked overseas in Bulgaria, lived in Los Angeles. He's a regular guy. He's dope, man.